We'll guide you through how to update Microsoft Word. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's a good idea to keep Microsoft Word up to date, because you can then go and have the latest features and the latest fixes. Make sure you watch this full guide as we're guiding you through how to navigate to where you need and what to go and click. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So go and open up Word. You can go and see here, I'm just in a new document. It doesn't matter though. And then what you want to do is you want to go to the top. I'd recommend just going and saving anything if you've been working on it, and then go and press File in the top left. This opens up this page here. And then what you need to do is come down to the bottom left. You may think you need to go into Options to go and find Update, but in fact, you need to go into Account. Then in here, you want to go and find the option for Update Options and click there. And you can see these different options. You've got Update Now, Disable Updates, View Updates, and About. What you want to do is press Update Now, and then it's going to check for updates. And if there's any available, it will go and be done.